Hi, I'm Kayla from the FRM marketing team, and I'm going to walk you through how to set up and run drip campaigns inside of FRM. Drip campaigns help you communicate with candidates seamlessly. They're also the best way to drive engagement and convert candidates into franchisees. Put simply, they give your candidates the right information at the right time. For the purposes of this example, we'll be setting up a drip campaign that's automatically triggered when a lead's opportunity status is in progress. Let's get started by navigating to the Marketing tile. And selecting Drip Campaign. Then, clicking New in the top left corner. From here, we'll name our campaign. Choose Yes or No in Is Template field to save this drip campaign as a template. Select Yes for automatic enrollment if you would like your drip campaign to send or stop sending with specific triggers. In our case, we want the drip campaign to send automatically to leads whose opportunity status has changed. Although the brand, lead source, and source campaign fields are optional, we suggest using them to keep track of different drip campaigns, especially if you have multiple brands under your umbrella. Use the lead source field to remind yourself and team how the lead entered your system. Source campaign is another great way to track and organize your campaign. Now, let's talk about triggers. There are 4 different triggers: None, Lead Stage, Lead Disposition, and Opportunity Status. If you choose None, your drip campaign participants will need to be added manually. Choosing Lead Stage will populate more options for when a lead should start and stop in a drip campaign. The options for both start and stop are New, when a new lead is created, and Contacted, when you've successfully reached out to a lead. Clicking Lead Disposition will populate a checklist and will trigger drip campaigns based on one or multiple lead dispositions. The last trigger is Opportunity Status, and like Lead Disposition, it populates a checklist of options to choose from. Click Save, and a plus button will appear to the right of the page. This allows us to add the messages included in this drip campaign. A new screen will appear once clicked. Here's where we'll add the first email template or SMS message. In the Days from Start field, place the number of days from the time the drip campaign will begin until the email or SMS should be sent. So, a 0 will result in the email or SMS sending immediately, while a 1 will equate to a 1-day wait between the trigger and the email or SMS. Under Action, click the Email Template drop-down box. Find the name of the template you created and select it. Templates are listed in alphabetical order. If you want to send a text message, leave the email template field blank and type your message in the SMS message field. The next field, Desired Lead Disposition, allows you to update the lead disposition after a specific email is sent. Add any internal messages to the Notes field, then click Save and Close. Complete the same steps to add more messages to the drip campaign. All days and subsequent messages are added from the start day. For instance, the first message sends immediately. The second message sends 7 days after the first message, and the third message sends 14 days after the first message and 7 days after the second message. If we were to continue this pattern with a fourth message, it would indicate 21 days after the first message, 14 days after the second message, and 7 days after the third message. After saving and closing your drip campaigns, you may need to navigate in the inactive drip campaigns list. Once there, activate it, then you can find them under active drip campaigns. You'll also be able to find any active drip campaigns saved as templates under active drip campaign templates. If you're ever curious what stage a lead is in your drip campaign, you can view this through their activity speed, or by selecting the drop-down box next to their name and the ribbon and selecting the Drip Campaign button. From here, you can also cancel their in-progress drip campaign. Beyond setup, here are some tips for running a successful drip campaign. Tip 1. Create all your emails and SMS messages first. Then place them on a timeline outside of FRM in a Word document or notebook. This will make building your campaign much easier and faster. Tip 2. Think about the triggers you want to use and if an automatic enrollment makes sense for that situation. Tip 3. Use the optional fields to keep you organized. Down the road, when you're running multiple drip campaigns, it's easier to understand and maintain messages when your campaigns are organized. Tip 4. Test, test, test. Always test your internal record inside of a drip campaign before publishing it to regular leads. This will ensure all your steps make sense and your messages are in the correct order. Once again, I'm Kayla from the FRM team, and for any questions, comments, or concerns, email us at marketing@frmsolutions.com or visit www.frmsolutions.com.